Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Autodesk Maya tutorial how to merge vertex. So to merge vertex we can use this target weld tools. So as example you can insert like a box objects and then right click hold choose vertex. I will use the multi-cut to cut the vertex. Click here to here and cut again at this point. After it, if you want to merge, you can click this weld. Like I will click at this vertex, click, hold, and then I will merge into this position. Okay, I will click again from this vertex, move into here to merge. Okay, I will cut again the slash tools to slash in here. And I will slash at this point. Now, if you want to merge between these two vertex, you can use the target weld. Click on the vertex, hold, and then you can move into this vertex. So that's it for the basic Autodesk Maya tutorial, how to merge vertex.